So today I put in my 2 weeks notice.
It's so much envy right now.
I put in my 2 weeks notice today.
No.
I did.
Why? Where are you going?
To move. No, you too. I put in my 2 weeks notice today. Don't cry. Oh, it's okay.
That's what I said.
Oh, buddy.
Keep bleeding.
It's okay. I quit today.
Put up your face back down.
I did. I put in my 2 weeks notice.
No, no, the lies. Listen.
It's true.
That's okay. Listen, you're gonna.
How are you today?
Oh my gosh. I just got to work, okay? I'm doing
Guess what I did?
What did you do?
I put in my 2 weeks notice.
You're lying.
No, I'm not. I quit. Today I quit.
Nick,
I have 4 more shifts.
why is this happening?
Hi, Otis.
Hey, McMeg. All right. Sad to see you go, but I know you'll do well wherever you go, and all the best.
Oh, thank
Take
you.
care of yourself,
This
your
turned into
husband, and
something
your
nice.
pretty kids. All right.
Yes, my 2 pretty kids.
Yeah.
Oh.